Online courses are one of the fastest growing forms of digital business, and for a good reason. A great course can generate passive income, grow your personal brand, and truly help others. But what does it take to build a course that actually sells and makes an impact? Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to help you get started. Hello, I am Jannes Oikeli from Passive Income Playbook. In this channel, you can learn about passive income, investing, and entrepreneurship. So this week's topic is creating a successful online course. Many people have achieved great returns with online courses, but it requires a carefully thought out topic, good structure, and skillful salesmanship. But without further ado, let's get to the point. A successful online course doesn't just offer information, it offers a solution. Ask yourself, what skill do people want to learn right now? What problems can I help them solve? What have I figured out that others would love to know? Here are some examples. How to build your first online store. No coding needed. Beginner's meditation for busy people. How to get clients through Instagram without paid ads. Don't start filming just yet. Test your idea first. Quick ways to validate your idea. Ask your audience. If I created a course about X, would you be interested? Make a short 3-part video series on YouTube, TikTok, and check the response. Browse Facebook groups, Reddit, or Google to see if people are asking about your topic. If people are actively looking for answers and you can deliver them, you're on the right track. A great course isn't a data dump. It's a transformation process. A good basic structure is as follows. Introduction, what they'll learn and who it's for. Module 1, Foundations and Preparation Modules 2 to 4. Hands-on lessons and application. Final module, Summary, Motivation. Next steps. Each module should answer one key question or solve one challenge. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for clarity and energy. Tips for filming. Use a clean background and natural lighting, or a basic lamp. Speak to the camera, like you're talking to a friend. If you're teaching digital skills, use screen recording tools like Loom or ScreenPal. Keep videos short. 5 to 10 minutes per topic is ideal. Audio matters more than visuals. Consider using an external mic. The real value of a course isn't just in the videos. It's in what people do after watching them. Include exercises, worksheets, or action steps. Provide PDFs, cheat sheets, checklists. Encourage small wins right from the first lesson. You can sell your online courses on many platforms, and the following options are suitable for many beginners. Kajabi, user-friendly and powerful. Thinkific, teachable, great for beginners. Podia, perfect if you combine courses plus email marketing. Gumroad or Selfie for simple, low-cost options. Pricing idea, mini course, $19 to $49. Full course, $79, $299. Premium course with coaching, $300 plus. Start by selling to your own audience, social media, email list. Offer a special launch price and gather testimonials. Don't wait for the perfect version. Publish, test, and improve. Ask for feedback. What worked well? What felt unclear? What would you love to see added? Then update your course. And you can increase the price as the value grows. It could be said that the following things are worth taking into account when creating a successful online course. Solve a specific problem. Validate the demand structure content from A. B. Create clear, personal videos. Include actionable tasks. Sell smart. Don't underprice, collect feedback, and improve. An online course isn't just a product. It's a service and a transformation, helping someone get closer to their goal. When you keep this in mind, sales and success will follow naturally. What do you think of this video? Leave a comment below and like the game. And if you are interested in passive income, investing, or financial independence, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Next week, something new and interesting from Hämeenlinna. See you again.